What's up, you guys? It's your favorite girl May right here. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is May. I'm a model and actress from Myanmar. And on my channel, I will be sharing with you all my favorite beauty tips, fashion tips, lifestyle, and also some vlogs might be coming in your way. If you haven't checked out the last videos, please do that as well, especially the first one if you want to know me a little bit more. So today's video is all about fashion. That's right, you fashion fanatics out there. Today I'll be sharing with you guys my favorite 7 outfits. As a little girl, I love clothes. I would get my mom to take me shopping, put on outfits together. It's like my little hobby since I was young. I always love clothes. I still do. Alright y'all, before I share these 7 looks, I want you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And at the end of the video, if you really enjoy it, make sure to like this video and share as well. Alright guys, without further ado, let's jump right into my first outfit. So the first outfit, I am wearing this simple white tube top with checker pants and a pair of white sneakers and this transparent sling bag for more casual look. For this one, I am wearing this high neck pullover with boyfriend jeans that I have ripped them myself front and back, and to get more smart casual look, I'm pairing them with a pair of heels. This is more of a chic look. I'm wearing this lacy top with high-waisted wide leg pants, but I want to be comfortable, so I'm pairing them with white sneakers and this sling bag to pull the look all together. This is more of a smart casual look. I have this lace-up front long sleeve crop top with high-waisted velvet flare pants, pair of heels, and this Wrangton handmade bag. I'm going for the e-girl look with sheer mesh top with flower details and a false leather overall dress and a pair of high black leather boots and really cute bag from a local designer. So this outfit is more of a night out kind of look. I have a black bralette with patterned skirt and a leather jacket to make it chic and cool, and to complete the look I have this tiny little bag. Last outfit is one of my favorite. I have this crop top with biker's pants and oversized coat. For details, I have this gold chain and pair of heels. Alright, that was my 7 looks that I have picked out for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy it and maybe try them on as well. And I am looking forward to doing more fashion videos in the future. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as well, so that you'll be notified next time. And on my channel, not only do I do fashion, I also do beauty. And later in the future, I'm thinking about doing some vlogs and lifestyle videos as well. So yeah, stay tuned for all that. For now, this is it. Hope you guys have a great quarantine. Stay safe and stay healthy. I hope to see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Okay, I'm